Hello and welcome to spss 4 from part S4. Before I start this, let me point out that if you are using your own sample that you have taken randomly, then your answers will not be exactly the same as what I show you. If you want it to be exactly the same as what I show you, then as it says here in the instructions, you can start with the sample which I made and saved. So if you use this version, then you'll get exactly the same results as I get, with luck. What you could then do is then go back over it afterwards with your own sample and compare the results you get with the results I get. They should be similar but not exactly the same. So it's up to you. If you prefer to work with your own sample, that's fine. Okay, so let's start from part S4 here then. So it says, in the sample data, compare the mean price of holidays for ecotourism and standard firms. And there's all these complicated results. But remember, we can get that with one single command in SPSS. So goes analyze and let's explore. Explore brings it up. Oops. So we're looking at holiday price and the two different sorts of license. So holiday price goes into dependent variable there. The two different kinds of eco license, is it? Yeah, eco license goes into there. And then just a matter of telling it which kind of plots you want. So make sure you press plots there, plots, and that gives you this choice. I don't like that very much, and it's got box plots already, so that'll be fine. Statistics will be fine. So make sure both is ticked there and press OK, and then it does it all. Since I've just turned SPSS on, I don't know where on my screen the results are going to come up. Here they come. So I have to just make this the right size for you to see in the camera window. Hopefully you can see that. So there's the results. So we've got the firms which are operating under a standard license, their mean price they're charging is 795 compared to 663 for the ecotourism people. The median 779 compared to 564. So both measures of level should suggest that standard license ones are a bit more expensive than ecotourism licenses. And that's confirmed by this box plot here. The box plot gives you a bit more information, gives you the whole distribution, the medians, the lower and upper quartiles, the middle 50%, that blue area. So all of it suggests that the levels of the eco license are on average below for the standard license. So that's S4. So it does seem that mean is higher in the standard holidays. Question 2 is critically important, which is why I keep repeating it. Now that we know this, what's the point of going on doing a test? Why do we need to do this? Now, make sure you have thought about this and pause if you're not sure. Okay, so the reason why we need to do a test is that the results we have here, and as also shown on the output window here, all these detailed results, they apply to those 60 firms. So inside the 60 firms, there's no longer any question. We know that for those 60 firms, the average price in holidays in standard license is higher than the ecotourism license. However, that is only for our sample of 60 firms. What we really want to know is the average price of holidays lower in the whole population for standard license, for ecotourism compared to standard license? So is this difference also true in the whole population? Whether the whole population is defined as the 880 firms in that country, or maybe the 800 firms in that country at this time. We might also want to talk about the previous years. Was it always been this way, or in other similar countries? So beyond the sample, does this also hold? That's why you need to do a test. If you're only interested in those 60, there's no need to do a test. But normally you're interested in what's called external validity, which is, are these findings valid beyond the sample? Okay, such an important point. I'll leave it there, and we'll go on to the other parts in the next video. Thanks for watching.